Okay, so I found this piece of very plain white ribbon on my desk, and actually I'm quite happy to have something so plain and thin and easily available. So we are going to first of all find out where it's going to sit. So all I've done, sorry about having the hands right up there, is kind of work out where it's going to be. I'm going to flip the album over, and generally what I do is I line up the album on the board. I'm going to take a bit of this yucky 6mm tape that I've got, and because this album's a little higher than normal, I'm just going to flatten it. Excuse me. So I'm just going to, actually I'm going to eyeball it. I'm going to put a piece of tape. Oh wait, no, let's measure. Let's be like normal, and not that I'm ever normal. So let's put a little mark. We're measuring from that side. A little mark at the 6, even though it's 6 1/4, it's fine. A little mark at the 6. And let's line our tape up. Okay, and then all I'm going to do, oh my goodness, what happened to the camera?